Out of body with the flow. They wanted more. I give them more.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to ring that notification bell. Link in the description for the merchandise. If you guys don't already know what Avery is, it's a vinyl wrap company. I've had this vinyl wrap for about 3 months or so, since Christmas. I haven't made a video on it yet or anything because of the simple fact I was trying to get this done for my birthday, which is in 2 days. I'm recording this on the 6th, but I'm still happy, I'm still satisfied because I was able to get most of the kit done. I want to try to get most of the dents and dings and all the stuff out of there. So I had gotten a heat gun. Pretty much I got everything that we need, you guys, to vinyl wrap the vehicle. I got some gifts, a bunch of razor blades. I got this for Christmas. Very thankful that I got that and happy that I got it. That's why I was trying to get the kit done, so that way we can reveal the wrap and start wrapping it. So the color, sunburst yellow. In the sunlight it looks like a little bit of mixture of like an orangish yellow. Not really too sure until I actually wrap the whole car. I get to see the whole car outside. Me and my daughter did the hood, we did the windshield, we did these pillars, door handles, and also we made a little rack right here for the vinyl wrap, so that way it's going to be easier for me to just drop down the roll, cut it, and then use my magnets to put it onto the ride. So everything's pretty much set. I wish I would have been able to have this done for my birthday. I wasn't able to, but still I'm very happy and excited that I actually got the kit all the way almost complete, except for this piece that's right here. As far as the rest of the kit, it's ready to wrap. I want to fix dents and dings here and there. We'll do that as the process of getting this thing together and wrapping it. You know, I'm no professional by no means. I like doing DIY stuff myself, and that's the whole process of this car and everything that we do on this channel. I can't wait to show you guys the process of this and start wrapping this car and finally get it to one color. I want to post videos every day, but I do want to get into the habit of posting more for you guys. I see a lot of comments of everybody always wondering if I'm alright or what's going on, if we finished projects, and I love the support. We're working on trying to get a lot of content for you guys. I want to try to post a lot for you guys, a lot more than usual. I'm gonna let this sit. That flip-flop trunk kit that I put on there, especially for doing this, I didn't even have to do nothing, just put the tarp down. Everything worked out. Alright guys, so I let it dry for a couple hours and then came back. I'm gonna start sanding it. That way when I lay down the vinyl, it doesn't have a bunch of bumps and everything's smooth. Dust and stuff that it collected from when I sprayed it. And then I'll wipe it down with some alcohol, and then we'll vinyl wrap it.
Perfect.
everything looks perfect. And the only spot on here, I did the whole trunk. I mean, this is going to be behind the tag, obviously, you're not going to see that. But the only spot that you guys see that I did was right here where I overlapped it. The last time I did it, I had to overlap it right here and right here, but it's all one piece except for that one little tiny slit right there. So if I can do it, you guys can do it. You guys can wrap your whole trunk without even cutting more than one piece.
Take it to the ground, I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I see you running, do you? Like I did it, can't do it, can't get it, go. Run it up, run it up, run it up. Weed like a rock, smoke weed like a rock.